Let's take a look at how we can choose a truly representative sample from a large population. Imagine a school principal wants to know what the entire student body thinks about changing the school mascot. With hundreds of kids, they can't ask everyone. So, how do they pick a fair group of students to survey? We need a representative sample. So, what exactly is a representative sample? It is simply a small group that accurately reflects the characteristics of the entire population. To make sure your sample is perfect, remember these three golden rules. First, it must be unbiased, meaning it doesn't favor one specific group over another. Second, it must be truly random, ensuring every single member of the population has an equal shot at being chosen. And third, it must be proportional, meaning it mirrors the exact diversity, traits, and stats of the larger population on a smaller scale. Back to the principal situation, which of the following options is a truly representative sample that the principal can ask? If you only ask the student council, your sample is biased because they don't represent everyone. If you only ask the first bus riders in the morning, you completely miss out on car riders and walkers. But the third choice works because it will give a sample that is true randomness across the entire population. To quickly review what we learned, avoiding bias means ensuring no specific group is excluded, and true random selection is the best way to get an accurate snapshot of the whole group. If this video helped, give a like and subscribe to the channel.